Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add a column here in Airtable. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Airtable, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Adding a column or field in Airtable is a straightforward process that is essential for managing and organizing data effectively. Now, depending on how you set up your Airtable account, all you're going to do is hover to the bottom left corner of your dashboard if you haven't created your Airtable yet. I want you to click on this button right here to create. You have two options. You can start with building an app with AI, wherein the co-builder quickly turns your process into a custom app with data and interfaces, or you can start from scratch. I'm going to choose the second option. And from here, as you can see, we have a separate video on how to integrate your Airtable to the Google Sheets, Excel, and CSV. We're gonna skip this for now. I'm going to rename this as something like, I'm gonna choose this because this is gonna be our logo. All right, and then from here, now you see there's gonna be a plus icon here beside status. I want you to click on it. It says add field. Field is basically the column here in Airtable, right? Now from here you can find the field type if you wanted, but of course you can just select in this multiple options. You can choose a single line text, long text, attachments, checkbox, multiple text, single select, user, date, and it's all up to you. I leave the discretion to you. You can also use an AI, wherein for a free plan you can try Airtable AI by switching your plan. But for now, we're not gonna skip that. At least you can see your options here on adding a column in Airtable, and you can also add a description. Now, I'm going to put in maybe an attachment. The field name is gonna be like deep left column. Adding a description, create field, and voila, we have already added the column here in Airtable. Of course, you can drag this so you can see the full extension of your column. And of course, if you want it, there's gonna be a drop-down menu here where you can edit field, duplicate field, insert left, insert right, copy field URL, and edit field description. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.